From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Shaheen Bagh model of anarchy from 2020, early 2020. And then what we have seen, this 60, 75-day build-up to what has happened now today have a lot in common. Tonight, as India watches frames of anarchy in utter disbelief, it has become very imperative for all nationalists to unite. I'm going to be announcing in the next 24 hours more details, and then in the next week, the initial structure of the organization of a nationalist collective, which we must all be part of. The details will be out soon. But this is why, in my view, a nationalist collective of all citizens, media, right-thinking Indians, people wedded to the ideology of nation first, why this nationalist collective is necessary to counter the evil anti-India narrative. And then we shall debate.
At the Red Fort this afternoon, the violent mob insulted the tricolour, stormed the National Monument and attacked the police. What unfolded on the streets of Delhi has shocked the entire nation.
ये तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे थे कि ट्रैक्टर लेकर किसान घुसाए, बगैर तस्वीरें देखे ट्रैक्टर लेकर किसान घुसाए, बगैर बच के, यानी कि लोगों पर ट्रैक्टर चला रहे, लोगों पर पुलिस वालों पर ट्रैक्टर.
But those sitting on the sidelines giving backdoor support to the protesting mob are now blaming the government.
How these people can go and raise a flag when all the police are seeing, silently police are watching? Why police was watching? Why not prevented them immediately without any connivance? Can that thing can happen? I think there is a connivance with some people in the government. Otherwise, how this crime could be organized by the criminals?
And the motivated lobby has celebrated every instance of violence. The Congress has even drawn a parallel to the 2012 Nirbhaya movement. From Shaheen Bagh provocation in 2020 that was followed by riots in northeast Delhi, to the 60-day farmer protest that was followed by violence on the streets of Delhi on Republic Day. The pattern has been the same. Is there a concerted effort by anti-India forces to weaken the nationalist movement? Let's debate.
Sanju Verma, General Sinha, Colonel RSN Singh, Professor Bharat Gupt, Executive Member and Trustee of the Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts, Savio Rodriguez, Mehez Khan, Professor D.K. Giri, Ravi Srivastav, Inderjit Singh Titu of the RLD and Syed Asad Abbas. I began by saying today that there is a need for a large nationalist collective to be brought together. Savio, the time is now. Details we will put out in 24 hours. Republic will lead this, help put it together. And the reason for a nationalist collective, which shall include people in the media, people from all walks of life, professionals, people who have been in the defense forces, and all nationalists, people who believe in nation first, is because the responsibility of pushing a nationalist narrative in this country, Savio, cannot be of a political party alone. it has to be a unified effort of the media and the people of this country. Do you agree, Savio? Because there is a conspiracy against our country, and there is a direct connection between the need for a nationalist collective, which we are now going to be working on, in taking on the conspiracy against India and not underplaying it. Because there is a deep conspiracy that we must talk about now, which only became more evident in the visuals this morning. Savio.
Arnab, I completely agree with you. There is an imminent need for a nationalist collective of media, of retired people from the armed forces, people from all walks of life, people who believe in the idea of an India that is an idea of an India that's progressing. What you see happening over the last several months in India is an attempt by forces within India and forces outside of India to destabilize India, to create chaos, to create anarchy, and most importantly is to attack the socio-economic progress of India. Now we need to understand this very clearly. Arnab, if you clearly remember, way back in July 2020, I had written an article along with my team saying that Shaheen Bagh 2.0 will happen again in the month of November. This was information available with the intelligence internationally and some of our intelligence officers in India. The problem is we depend too much on the government, and we should. But it's time. But it's time for the nationalists in India, for the people of India to understand that if we don't defend India today and leave everything up to the government, we are going to have more riots, more chaos in the country in the run-up to 2024. Because Narendra Modi is breaking the backs of every one of these anti-nationals with his policies. With his policies, that's what they are afraid of. They are afraid of a resurgent India. They are afraid of an India shining. They are afraid of a new India. That is why
Mahesh is speaking.
the nationalists of India must
Syed is
unite.
speaking. Gagan.
I heard my good friend Savio. I think he's entitled to his
And
policies.
therefore, Syed, before you come in, may I have a few words? May I have a few words? Many people are calling into our newsroom right now asking us, what is this nationalist collective and how do you intend to launch it? And my answer is simple. It is a collective of citizens of India along with the media. It is nothing like a political party. It is not a political organization. It is a simple collective of people of the country along with right-thinking Indians to counter the conspiracy against our country. Yes, Mahesh, why are you unwilling to listen?
I'm coming in. I am coming in. I'm perfectly
Don't
listening
give me a
very
silly
well.
argument
Firstly,
about farmers
Happy
today.
Republic Day to all of you.
Don't give me a silly
And
argument about farmers today on a day when anti-nationals tried to create a riot in my national capital. I have Sanju on the other
I want
side.
to come on your show? No. Do not define. You are a self-proclaimed nationalist, which you call, and you can pat your back and call people, a couple of people like Savio on your show and take all the honors. But listen, I'm not here for that. I'm not here to sell myself to you and prove my nationality to you. Let me come to the point here. 42% of the people in this country rely on farming as an occupation. So if you're talking about anti-nationals, so the entire 42% of the people and most of the country becomes anti-nationals for you. Let me tell you this. Secondly, if you talk about their entire movement, you're trying to bring it to Shaheen Bagh or anything.
Who represents
Let
them?
me take you back to the history.
No, who represents them? Who represents them?
Who's against India is an anti-national. Do you think going riots on the roads of Delhi is not an anti-national act? Who gave you the right? Who gave the rioters the right to attack the police? Who gave the rioters the right to attack women police? Who gave them the right? Is that an act of an honest citizen or a rioter? A rioter is never an honest citizen.
nationalist
You
movement
can't
of the world.
destroy
So let
public
me tell
property.
you must-
And we don't
you
care
must
about Nelson
apologize to
Mandela.
the
This is
farmers.
India.
People
This
like
is
you-
India.
people like
Forget
you should
Nelson
be
Mandela. This
apologizing
is
to the
India.
farmers.
This is
People like
India.
you should be
And we will
apologizing to
not
farmers for
tolerate
calling them
rioters.
anti-nationals.
We will not
Jai
tolerate
Jawan,
rioters.
Jai Kisan.
We will not
Jai
tolerate
Jawan,
rioters.
Jai
You
Kisan.
riot. You
Jai
hit the
Jawan,
cops. You
Jai
deserve to
Kisan.
be beaten
Jai
back.
Jawan,
If
Jai
you riot,
Kisan.
you hit
Let
the
me rub on your
cops.
face.
You hit
Jai
innocent
Jawan,
people.
Jai
You
Kisan.
deserve to be
Let
beaten
me rub on your
back by
face
the
once again.
authorities.
Jai
It's
Jawan,
time the
Jai
government of
Kisan.
India
You need to
takes a
apologize to the
strong
farmers of this
stand.
country, to the
It's
people
She's
of this
repeating
country.
herself. We'll go to
for
Ravi
using
Srivastava.
all these
Stand
propaganda,
against
what we're trying to do.
Rioters must be crushed.
Jai Jawan,
Rioters must
Jai
be crushed.
Kisan.
Anarchists must
Can
be
you
crushed.
repeat
The
after
government
me?
of
Jai
India
Jawan,
must
Jai
stop
Kisan.
Viewers,
wearing soft gloves.
Sanju Verma is on the debate right now with DK Giri. I'd like Sanju Verma to come in with DK Giri on the debate, please. Because before you take it forward, Sanju, can you be a little one minute? Just be patient with me for 30 seconds so that I can direct the debate in the direction that I seek it to go in, which is a discussion on the conspiracy against India and the need for a nationalist collective. And I appeal to everyone to join today. I'll ask DK Giri also to join the nationalist collective. The only credentials you have to prove is that you will consistently be against anti-nationals, including anti-nationals in the media and all the people who have tried to conspire to create an anti-national narrative. This nationalist collective will be so strong that it will stand at the forefront of crushing the anti-national narrative. Now, one point I wish to make here, and I'll hand over after this. From Shaheen Bagh to today, viewers, there is a group that just wants to make the country weaker. We will ensure now that this conspiracy against India is not successful. One, they want to weaken our legislature. Why? Because they cannot win elections. Then they want to weaken our judiciary. Remember what people like Prashant Bhushan do. They have made it a pattern to insult the judiciary. Then they weaken our executive. We saw what happened on the streets today of the national capital. And then they also have great problems with the nationalistic media. So they target the nationalist media, harass it, target it, file false cases. Essentially because they believe that if in this country the legislature, judiciary, executive and media is pro-nation, then where will they stand? And therefore it is important for us to come together and see that there is a conspiracy. Now, I go back to the debate with Sanju and with DK Giri. Let us not put blinkers on. We saw what happened today. This was an attack on the country. If we don't act tough today, then tomorrow 10,000 Maoists will try and repeat this experiment. And therefore I believe, Sanju, no gratuitous advice, but your government needs to be very, very harsh now. Very, very harsh. You need to exert your power in national interest. If you don't, then this will repeat itself with some other group of people trying to claim the national capital. Sanju and DK, please come into the debate.
Yeah. Okay.
Arnab, first
My
of all,
only,
I would like
concern
to
on
say
the-
that the
one is
word nationalist collective,
Okay.
I
Let
think
us
that's
do
a
that.
great term
Okay.
because it seeks to bind all like-minded nationalists. So thank you for saying that in as many words. I will come straight to the point without beating around the bush. There is an absolutely shameful comment from Pawan Khera, the national spokesperson of the Congress, saying that what happened today, he compares it to the Nirbhaya gang rape of 2012. Nothing could be more shameful. The Congress's official handle
Oh my
says
God.
this is Bhajapa ki sajish or Bhajapa ki tanashahi ka
Oh my
natija.
God.
I'm quoting the exact
Oh my
words.
God.
Excuse me. All the Congresses out there and Rahul Gandhi, the compulsive contrarian and the clown prince, as Arun Jaitley once called you, and so rightfully so. Let me remind the clown prince of a party that is on the verge of extinction. Let me remind you that some of the worst riots in post-independent India, be it the Deganga riots, the Aligarh riots, Bhatta Parsol, Muzaffarnagar, Dhule, 1984 anti-Sikh riots, or for that matter, the forgotten Bhagalpur riots where Muslims were butchered. It all happened thanks to the proclivity of the Congress. So please, A, do not give a bhashan to the ruling dispensation. B, I believe that people today who indulged in destruction of public property, arsonism, vandalism, these are not farmers. Where is Yogendra Yadav, the so-called messiah of farmers and the leader of the All India Kisan Sangharsh Coordination Committee? Where is Rakesh Tikait of the BKU? Where is Shivraj Kakkaji of Sanyukt Kisan Morcha?
Okay,
Where is Baldev
we
Singh
heard your...
Sirsa, who has been charge sheeted
We
under
heard
the
your
NIA?
argue about
The
Congress
fact
party. Let's
is
come
that
to the
many
point.
people in the media
Oh my God.
refuse
There are other
to
people
call
to speak,
these
Sanju.
hardliners
Can you be brief,
ultra-leftists.
please?
I remember I have been on umpteen debates, and when I would call Darshan Pal, the founder of PDFI, an ultra-leftist hardliner, the anchors would look at me. Oh, please don't digress from the topic. No, I am not digressing from the issue. The issue is we have to, as a collective, learn to call a spade a spade. And the fact of the matter is that these people who indulged in vandalism from the ramparts of the Red Fort need to be booked, A, for criminal conspiracy under 120A and 120B. They need to be booked under 495 of the IPC for destruction of public property.
No. They need to be booked under the UAPA by the NIA. I'm making a clear demand. They need to be booked under the UAPA, under the NIA, by the NIA, under the UAPA. I wonder why your government has not done so yet. Yogendra Yadav should be booked under the UAPA, under the NIA, or they will not learn a lesson. And now the simple thing is, viewers, I am asking you. My question is... No, my question to the viewer is first. Do you believe, I have two questions to the viewers. Do you believe there is a conspiracy against India? And my second question is, are you going to join our nationalist collective?
Where has he disappeared?
Allow me.
Yeah, well, Sanju Burma is demonizing
DK and
Congress party.
RSS.
That is not my concern. My concern, it has never happened. It has never happened in the history of India that on a solemn occasion like 26th Republic, this arson has taken place. I do not know. I'm appalled, and whole country should be appalled. I do not know where to fix the responsibility and accountability. Sanju Burma went on against Congress, but Congress is not ruling. Today, the ruling party is her party, BJP. I do not know where to put the responsibility. Some hooligans
Yes, so wait and watch now what we do.
hoisted the flag.
Don't
What was
try
the
and
police
second
doing?
guess Amit
So
Shah
wait a
and
minute.
Modi.
There
Don't
is
try
no
and
point
second
blaming
guess our
somebody.
leadership.
What has happened
Arnab, you
today?
removed me from the screen, and this man
Sanju,
is
I
talking
will
about
heard
me.
you. Don't interrupt, please. Let me
Do
say.
not try
I always
and
speak
second
briefly,
guess
unlike
the
you. I
leadership
speak only
skills
briefly.
of the government. Do not
No,
try and
hold on.
second
I am
guess
not saying
Prime
anything.
Minister
I am only
Modi.
saying
Do not try and
how,
second
you know,
guess the
it
bona
is
fides
a
of
shame
Amit
for
Shah.
the whole country.
You people said nothing will happen
It is
to those
responsibility
who indulge
lies
in
on the
violence
government,
at
that is for
Shaheen Bagh.
sure.
Today,
But
Sharjeel
it is a
Imam
national
behind
shame
bars.
today, and it
Umar
happened
Khan
under your
is
government.
in
It
jail.
happened under your
Tahir
government. Why
Hussain
did
is
the
cooling
things
his
come to
heels
such a
in
pass?
jail. The
You can
Delhi
blame the
police has
farmers,
filed
you
a
can blame
900-page
the Khalistanis,
charge sheet
you can
to
blame
nail
anybody.
those who
But
were
whatever
responsible
happened
for
today
Shaheen
is
Bagh
failure of
riots.
intelligence,
And I can
failure of
assure you,
governance,
Modi
failure of
government is not
management.
going to sit
This is
back
a
and
national
watch.
shame,
Those who
and for
No,
which
it's not.
only
vandalism.
and
No,
only
I
your
think-
government is
I think
responsible.
DK,
Sanju Burma.
I
You
think
can
DK,
rave
I
and
would be
rant.
I would be incorrect in saying, 1 minute, now I heard you both, and I'm now calling out the other speakers, including, please, if I may, one at a time, because I'm getting everyone in. Thank you. I'm calling out Ravi and RSN Singh, and viewers, we are getting a great response to our announcement of a nationalist collective. And one word on it, imagine how strong we will be if we, the nationalists in the media, join hands with you, the nationalist citizens, to create a parallel organization /forum/collective. Because the narrative to make in India a superpower must be in our hands. It cannot be given away or competed with. Now I have a small point to make. I believe that those who create riots, create trouble, RSN, must be responsible for the consequences of their action. Today, a Congress leader said, when Red Fort was held siege, he said it's a historic moment. I think the Congress should then officially declare itself the All India Pakistan Congress Party. Then there were some people with blue ticks who were tweeting foreigners who were saying, this will happen again, the Narendra Modi government should know. Foreigners were tweeting this and Indians with blue ticks were retweeting this. Third, there were fools who were saying, lovely Republic Day when an authoritarian government is running scared of citizens. This individual who must be a fool must understand that the government was not running scared, the government was giving a long rope. Because had there been any counter violence, these same people would have gone around complaining about the abuse of human rights. So it is a very sensitive moment. The government showed a great deal of generosity. And the last point I want to make is it or is it not true that certain Lutyens TV anchors today on the ground were giving space to those justifying violence, saying this is in response to the wrong that was done to us. These people have broken all basic laws, ethics and commitment to the country. I have no doubt in calling them anti-nationals and part of the conspiracy against India. The only question is, RSN, how will we deal with them? I think we must deal with them, clamp down on them. You know, we must forget these people crying, whining, oh, human rights, you are fascists. Doesn't matter. If you're against the country, you must be prepared for a crackdown. I'd like to hear from you, RSN, and then a response from our Ravi Srivastava.
You remember 2014, same period, same time, the Republic Day celebrations. You had Arvind Kejriwal sitting near the Rail Bhavan threatening to disrupt the Republic Day parade. That was the third front. When the CDS or the army chief talks about 2.5 fronts or third front, this is the third front. You saw people clamoring for release of Sarjil Imam, and none of these fellows, the so-called farmers objected to it, and then they lament that why we call them Khalistanis. Then you had, Tukde Tukde gang sharing the platform. Nobody objected, and then they say, why you call us as Khalistani? Then you had that dirty-looking, minister from Canada sharing, the platform there, and then they say that why you call us Khalistanis. Now, I want the policymakers, defense policymakers in this country, we have talked about third front, realize its potential, don't, otherwise you will pay like Soviet Union. You don't eat tanks for breakfast and aircraft for lunch. If your third front, is weakened, then the country collapses. The country collapses, and here you had the Maoists, you had the jihadis, you had the Khalistanis, and people like this, Srivastava, who revels in everything that goes wrong with India. Today what happened, Srivastava? This is the way. Srivastava, what happened today was an assault on India. What happened today, Srivastava, was an assault on India. And I caution the government, that you don't talk to people who carry on an assault on India. You cannot have a dialogue with people who assault on India. So today, the third front went in for a final assault. Please realize the potential damage potential of the third front. So, Mr. Srivastava, whom are you supporting, by the way? Whom are you supporting?
You are a stooge of
that.
You only do a bootlicking of that government. Nothing else. You have words. Who are you to give a certificate?
Srivastava, सरकारें आती है. सुनो. In a democracy, Srivastava.
What?
Your uncle does not run the government.
I have a right to speak.
In a democracy, it is always the elected government. It's always the elected government.
Nobody can
and
stop
to the
me.
BJP spokesman,
Nobody
I
can
must
stop
say
me. I'll speak
that
my
you
mind.
have no business.
I have
You
right.
have no business
You are a
to
stooge of
keep the
BJP.
people of this
You are a
country
Bhagwa.
stuck in
You are
anxiety,
a Bhagwa.
especially people living in Delhi. We can't
You are
be
no more a nationalist.
victims of
You are a
anxiety all the
bootlicker.
time.
You are only a
Can I? I'm not
bootlicker
hearing
now.
You
are
shut up.
only a bootlicker.
Mind your tongue. Mind your tongue. I have
You
seen
shut
you
up.
for last 10 years.
Mind your tongue.
I have
Mind your business.
I have seen you for
Don't
last
make
10
me
years.
stone.
You are an incorrigible,
You've given up your
incorrigible
uniform
anti-national.
and you are a Bhagwa
You are
Bhatta.
an incorrigible
You are a Bhagwa
anti-national.
Bhatta in your neck now.
तो क्या पहने? तो क्या
You
पहने?
are an
भगवा नहीं
anti-national.
पहने तो कौन सा रंग
You are an
पहने?
anti-nation.
नहीं
You are
भगवा
a-
नहीं पहने
you
तो
are a
कौन सा रंग
party.
पहने?
1 minute, calm down everyone. I want to bring in. I would like to bring in Professor Bharat Gupta. I would like to bring in Professor Bharat Gupta. RSN, calm down. RSN, calm down. He's trying to provoke you. First of all, I'll make it absolutely clear that there is nothing wrong with Bhagwa. 1 minute. What did you mean by saying you are a Bhagwa? Bhagwa means saffron. Saffron is a sacred color. Be careful about your choice of words. You understand that? Saffron is a sacred color in this country. Be careful. I'm telling you, Ravi Srivastav.
What is so
Saffron is a very sacred
What is
color.
so sacrosanct about the
है ना?
Gundas?
भगवा के खिलाफ
Who are hosting
आवाज इतनी ऊंची मत कीजिए आप. I say it's a sacred color, so you calm down. I'm saying it's a sacred color. Sanju is responding to you.
I'm wearing saffron.
What is
You
so
don't like
sacred?
it? Walk out of the debate.
Bhagwa is a sacred color.
I'm wearing
It denotes
saffron
sacrifice
today.
for
I'm
all
wearing
Hindus.
saffron
You have no right to
today.
insult Hindus.
I'm wearing Bhagwa today. You don't like it? Walk out of
Arre,
the
I have a
debate.
right.
You don't like
I will say
saffron?
it.
Walk out of the debate. I'm wearing saffron very
You walk out
proudly.
the debate. Who
I'm
cares?
draped in
Who
Bhagwa very
bothers about
proudly.
you?
You don't like
Bhagwa is
it?
an indication of the good
Walk out of
guys
the
now.
debate. Who are you?
Who
At
is
best
that?
a
Yes.
paid
Who is
panelist?
Deep Sidhu?
Who are
Tell
you?
me.
Who are you? At
Who is
best a
Deep
paid
Sidhu?
panelist? That's
Who
all
is
that you
Deep
are.
Sidhu? You tell me.
कोई हैसियत है
Deep
आपकी?
Sidhu,
कुछ
who is
नहीं.
he?
आना है हर
Who was
डिबेट
hoisting
में
the
पैसे
flag
लेने
over
हैं,
there?
मोदी
और
के
लाल
खिलाफ
किला?
बोलना है, घर
What
जाकर
do you
सो
know?
जाना है. ये काम करते हो
अरे
आप.
आपके
People
लोग हैं.
like you, your
आप
bluff has been called.
पैसे आप
Those
लेते हो.
who
पैसे आप खाते
instigated
हो.
the Shaheen
हर
Bagh
चीज
riots
में
are
अंबानी
pulling
अडानी से
their
पैसे खाते
deals
हो
in
आप.
prison and
Anyway,
dictatorship those who today
I want to tell you.
tricolor from the
I want to tell you. By the way.
don't miss
By the way, let me say this. Just a minute. Just a minute. There is a fight. Let's be clear about one thing. Let's be clear now. Let's be clear now and not try to be too subtle about it. Let me say that there is a battle on in this country. Bharat Gupta, I'll just take 1 minute. Bharat Gupta is on the debate. Syed Asad Abbas is there. I'm saying clearly that there is a battle, ongoing battle in this country between those who are fiercely nationalists, number one, and those who have problems with the idea of a nationalist India, nationalist citizens, nationalist media. And Bharat Gupta, this fact has to be realized by us. All Indians must first understand and accept the fact that there is a fight between nationalist and anti-national forces. And it's not an accident, Bharat Gupta. There is no point putting it under the carpet anymore. It is in the open, Bharat Gupta. It is in open.
Very right.
We need to accept it, and that is why today I am announcing the launch of a nationalist collective. The first time a media organization is creating a group of people who, together with the media and citizens from across the country, will provide a counter narrative to the anti-nationals and take them out at every step. So I think we need to be clear about it. There is a battle on. Is there or is there not a conspiracy against our country? Bharat Gupta, please, and then Syed Asad Abbas. Please. Bharat.
I come to your show with a very heavy heart. I am 74, and this is the first time in my life that I have seen the desecration of the national flag from the ramparts of the Red Fort. I think all of us who are right-thinking people should hang their head in shame, irrespective of the fact whether we belong to BJP, Congress, this party, this or that. One thing. Second thing, I appreciate and support your national initiative. I support anybody's national initiative with all my heart, with all my blood. Third, I would like to tell people
from whatever I have studied over all these years, that today, not only India, but various parts of the world, but our concern is India primarily, that we are threatened by what I call mercenary vandals. जो भाड़े के उपद्रवी हैं, वो सारी दुनिया को threaten कर रहे हैं. They are anarchists. And you saw a big show by them today. They desecrated not only the national flag, they desecrated the Nishan Sahab. They desecrated the flag, the holy flag which the gurus have held.
They did.
They desecrated a whole tradition of Sikh religion. Now this is going on. This is plain plunder of the spiritual and the moral values of the country. Let us rise above factionalism and look at what is really going on. This whole agitation now is revealed as an attack by people. Call them anti-national, call them whatever, but they are obviously people who are there to break everything human, everything national, everything worthwhile, whether Hindu, Muslim, this or that, anything that we hold dear to our heart. They are here to break it, and they gave a demonstration of it for hours and hours. So it is time that something we do as a nation, otherwise we will be taken over. We will be taken over by people sitting outside this country, and they will take us over. So let us rise as one people.
The Patriot in you speaks today
about it.
But sir,
the fourth thing that I must to say is that the government must come up with a very, very heavy hand.
But there is a question which comes in. There is certainly a larger question here, sir.
I'll just take half a minute. Please, I'll take only half a minute and I'll leave. I'll be quiet. I'll just take half a minute. Yes.
Go ahead,
now, the last thing that I am going to say is this, that the government has a duty to come with a heavy hand down and punish the people. Because if you don't do it out of cheap politics, or if the opposition doesn't allow the government to do it out of cheap politics, then you will be the loser as much. It is not one party that loses, it's the nation as a whole that loses. And it is time now that all this long rope should be wound up, people should be just pulled up, and they should be sent behind bar, and highest punishment should be given to them. Thank you very much.
Bharat Gupta, great respect to you, sir, the nationalists and the patriot in you.
Thank you, Bharatji.
Certainly, I'm very glad, sir, that you raised the question to the ruling government, to the ruling dispensation. As a matter of fact, I believe in Mahatma Gandhi's words, an eye for an eye makes the whole world blind. Violence only begets violence. The fact of the matter is, sir, I think the BJP in power today needs to take a leaf out of the book of former late Prime Minister of this country, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who at the Pokhran blast said, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan. Let me take the note of Jai Kisan, the Annadata of this country. Sir,
Syed, you are making a speech. Syed, you're making a speech. I want to intervene. You come with a prepared speech and I come with you with an unprepared question. And therefore, you need to stop your prepared speech for my unprepared question. My question to you is this. See, Syed, you're taking a question from me. See, Syed, no. I'm not going to let you complete your speech because the program has limited time and I need to retain the focus on the essential point. I believe, no, 1 second. I believe, and you are on the debate, but calm down. I believe, and I'm pitting you with General Sinha, I believe there is a conspiracy against my country. And I believe you are either blind or pretending to be blind or deaf or pretending to be deaf if you don't see what happened today. General Sinha, people like Syed refuse to accept there is a conspiracy against India even after what happened today.
This is a conspiracy against state. Let me tell you, two sad things have happened today. Firstly, the might of the nation has been challenged. Secondly, national flag has been insulted. Thirdly, the authority of police has been diminished. Three important things. Now the question is, what is the conspiracy? It is, first of all, let me tell you, Arnav, it is not farmers' rally. It is Pakistan, leftists, Congress, Arthias. This is the rally. This is the rally. So let's stop calling this rally as a farmers' rally. This is not a farmers' rally, firstly. Secondly, let me tell you that Congress believes either you keep me in power or I will do danga. This is the approach of Congress. या तो सत्ता दो,
इंद्रजीत सिंह टिट्टू,
it's wrong to bring in the farmer.
यदि दंगा करेंगे. Just a second. The strategy of Congress has been, and leftists have been, to provoke the government so that the government is forced to use bullets, government is forced to use lathis, and then they will play a victim card. They will say, look, Modi is anti-farmer. This is the strategy. This they want to demean the Indian nation. In the process of demeaning Mr. Modi, they have insulted the nation, which is a very, very serious matter. And time now has come for action, to act, very serious action to be taken against these people. They cannot be allowed to get away with murder. They have insulted the nation. This is not correct. They have to be taught a lesson. Otherwise, they will keep repeating this incident time and again. So time for action has now come. And if the government sits idle, and if the government accepts what has happened today, it will be repeated time and again. Arnab, this is my forecast. And therefore, a very, very exemplary message has to go to these people.
Inderjeet Singh Tittu ji, there is a conspiracy against India. भारत के खिलाफ बहुत बड़ा षड्यंत्र है. सवाल मेरा आपसे ये है, आप किनके साथ है? षड्यंत्रकारियों के साथ या राष्ट्रवादियों के साथ? ये दो ही तरह के लोग हैं इस देश में, जो देश के खिलाफ षड्यंत्र कर रहे हैं और जो राष्ट्रवादी हैं. आप किसके साथ हैं? आप किसके साथ हैं? ये किसान विसान वाली बात अब खत्म हो गई. कोई किसान रैली नहीं हो रही इधर.
मैं बता रहा हूं
जी.
आप सुनिए, आपने सबसे लास्ट में मुझे नंबर दिया है, धन्यवाद आपका, पर मुझे अपनी बात कहने का मौका जरूर दीजिएगा. मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ, हम किसी के साथ नहीं हैं, हम देश के साथ हैं. इस देश की जो हम लोगों को आज़ादी ली है, बहुत कुर्बानियाँ देने के बाद मिली हैं. और आपको मैं बताऊं, अभी हर तरीके की डिबेट में हर तरीके का वार करा गया. सिख कौम के धर्म पे भी, सिख के झंडे पर भी करा गया. मैं आपको बताऊं, जो निशान साहब है, इस निशान
नहीं, एक मिनट. आज जिन्होंने टिट्टू जी, आज जिन्होंने तिरंगे का अपमान किया, वो राष्ट्रवादी हैं. आप ये कहना चाहते हैं?
नहीं,
संजू भी हमारे साथ है. जिन्होंने तिरंगे का अपमान किया, जिन्होंने महिलाओं को अटैक किया, वो कौन है? वो कौन है?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
इनको प्रोत्साहन किसने दिया? संजू, इनको प्रोत्साहन किसने दिया?
देश पहले.
क्या हमने इनके बारे में आपको 2 महीने पहले चेतावनी दी थी कि नहीं दी थी?
बाकी उपद्रव, क्या आप इसका समर्थन करते हैं? क्या अराजकता का आप समर्थन करते हैं? क्या आप उपद्रव करने वालों का समर्थन करते हैं?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
क्या आप हिंसा का समर्थन करते हैं? ट्रैक्टर रैली की आड़ में देश की संपत्ति को नुकसान पहुंचाया गया. ट्रैक्टर रैली की आड़ में महिला पत्रकार से बदतमीजी की गई. ट्रैक्टर रैली की आड़ में लाल किले पे चढ़कर दूसरा केसरी झंडा लहराया गया, जबकि सिर्फ
ये भारत का कल्चर नहीं है.
ट्राइकलर वहां पर,
ये भारतवर्ष का कल्चर नहीं है.
चाहिए.
ये भारतवर्ष का कल्चर नहीं है. मैं इसको कंडेम करता हूँ.
भूपिंदर सिंह लोंगोवाल, बलबीर सिंह राजेवाल, क्या आप इनका समर्थन करते हैं या आज नेशनल टेलीविजन पर इनका खंडन करेंगे? क्या राकेश टिकैत का खंडन करने के लिए तैयार हैं?
बिल्कुल.
क्या योगेंद्र यादव का खंडन करने के लिए आप तैयार हैं? योगेंद्र यादव कब से किसान नेता बने? ये सबसे बड़े दोगले इंसान है. ना तो ये नेता है, ना तो ये किसान है, ना तो ये किसान नेता है. ये सिर्फ अपनी सत्ता की रोटियां सेकना चाहते हैं.
आप अपनी बात कहेंगे, दूसरे को अपनी बात नहीं. आप अपनी बात कहेंगे, दूसरे की बात कहने का मौका नहीं देंगे. ये कई डिबेट है आपकी. आप मुझे मौका तो दीजिए, मुझे अपनी बात कहने का.
लेफ्ट वामपंथी है. क्या आप
मौका दीजिए इनको, मौका दीजिए.
आप अपनी बात.
इंद्रजीत सिंह टिट्टू जी,
मेरे को अपनी
आप बोलिए. संजू, 1 मिनट.
प्रॉब्लम आपकी ये है, आपने सरकार से रिक्वेस्ट की, आपने निवेदन किया.
संजू 1 मिनट, लेट हिम स्पीक.
दीजिए, ये शांति पूर्वक हम निकालेंगे.
आप अपनी बात कह चले जाएंगे. वन वे ट्रैफिक नहीं चलता है. डिबेट का मतलब वन वे ट्रैफिक नहीं है. डिबेट का मतलब यही नहीं है कि आप अपनी बात कहेंगे, दूसरे को बात नहीं कहने देंगे.
संजू 1 मिनट प्लीज, आई हैव टू कट यू ऑफ राइट नाउ. I'll get 1 minute. Sanju, you've been going on and on. I'd like RSN to come in.
And from the parliament, you should be
टिट्टू जी, ये बात समझने की कोशिश कीजिए कि ये लोग जो हैं जिन्होंने जिनको लगा कि इतनी आसानी से दिल्ली में ड्रामा करेंगे, इनको हम बख्शेंगे नहीं। मैं यही कह रहा हूं आपको, इनको बख्शा नहीं जा सकता।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
जितने एंटी नेशनल्स हैं इनको पकड़ के अभी इनको सीधी तरीके से सलाखों के पीछे रखना पड़ेगा।
लेकिन आप
तो कहां हुई है?
आप जो बेटर सरकार जो कानून
अगर होगी तो आप ह्यूमन राइट्स का
बिल्कुल करना चाहिए। हम आपके साथ खड़े।
देखिए
मैं आपको बताऊं, हमारे लिए देश पहले है। बाकी
आप अगर हमारे साथ खड़े हैं तो पहले ये कहिए कि भारत के खिलाफ जितने षड्यंत्रकारी है उनके खिलाफ है, फिर खड़े हो सकते हैं आप हमारे साथ।
मैं बिल्कुल कतई खिलाफ है, कतई खिलाफ है। हमने बहुत शहीदियां देने के बाद इस देश को आजाद कराया है। भगत सिंह की कुर्बानियां ऐसी बेकार नहीं जाएंगी। आप समझिए, इन्होंने
वही मैं याद दिला रहा हूं,
जो हरकत करी है
वही मैं याद दिला रहा हूं।
किसान,
I don't know if you are noticing
मेरी
this.
बात सुनिए, मेरी बात
No, I don't know if you are noticing this, viewers.
RSN
RSN versus Mehez. I don't know you're realizing this, but there's such a strong nationalist movement in this country.
Can you please ask
And people like you also must realize that you are either part of the nationalist movement or you're against it.
The slogan once,
People like you must realize that you're either part of the nationalist movement or you're against it. That's a simple binary now.
Misguide people. It feels sad.
I don't forget history. I have a better understanding of history than all of you people put together. I'm reminding you of our history.
You're still beating around.
You've come and memorized a few lines and you're talking. I am telling you today that what started our battle that started in Shaheen Bagh, this battle is now going to intensify against all anti-nationals. I'm putting this clear warning out to everyone today. You are either with the country or against the country. RSN, after what has happened today, we need to have work in a binary system. Simple binary. And the nationalist collective is the first step towards it. RSN.
Absolutely. Just listen to me. One minute, madam. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I'm going to speak a lot of sense. Just 1 minute. Madam, please. There's a.
I'm asking now.
You must be among the few ignorant people who did not know that we were going to strike Pakistan. I'm sorry for that. You want to actually expose your ignorance on national television. You must be one of the most ignorant people who did not expect India to strike your favorite country, Pakistan, hard.
I just have a question for you.
Pakistan is your favorite country. You didn't want us to strike hard. You must be one of the few ignorant people in that position. I feel sorry that you are displaying your ignorance on national television along with your Supreme Leader Rahul Vadra. Please.
Just like you are now.
RSN, please.
As much you love Pakistan,
You're showing your ignorance, Maz. You're looking very ignorant. Very ignorant indeed. RSN is on the debate. RSN is on the debate now with Ravi.
1 minute, madam. 1 minute.
You're already muted your mind. What can I do?
One minute.
I am coming in. I know. You wouldn't want to hear that.
Madam,
You're showing your ignorance even more on television. It's very embarrassing, Maz.
1 minute.
Very embarrassing, Maz.
You will unmute.
Just because your favorite country, Pakistan, is on your side now, along with the Vadra Congress.
What do I do with this lady?
The kind of arrogancy you have here as well.
So much you repeat yourself. RSN is on the debate. The battle between nationalists and anti-nationals, viewers, the only answer to that is the nationalist collective. RSN is on the debate with Ravi.
Yeah. What I'm trying, you see, 1 minute, you must understand that we are not fighting Pakistan and China, but we are fighting the jihadism and Maoism or communism. Our troops are deployed fighting jihadism and minus 50 degrees Celsius. They are fighting communism on the Indo-Tibet border, not Indo-China border, against the communists, again in minus 50 degrees. But who is going to fight Maoism, jihadism, Khalistanism, and other anti-national tukde gang within? That is why I say that National Collective is a fantastic initiative. The soldiers for this third front are you and me. You and me.
constitution of this country.
It's everybody, the citizens of the country have to fight. It was a very sorry state. It was a very sorry sight to see the police, the way they were being heckled by some of these anti-nationals. Let me tell you, if the police had their way, they would have shut down that man. They would have shut down that man who brought down the national flag and hoisted that some stupid flag.
You are a fake
They would have brought him down. Respect the patience of the state, but it is not going to last very long. And Editor sir, I have for last 15 years that I have been coming on television, I see the same characters: Joginder Yadav, Arvind Kejriwal, Susan Arundhati Roy, Srivastava, Prashant Bhushan. His father, thank God, is now too old for any conspiracy. But I see the same.
Well, my question is 1 minute. My question now is Savio's on the debate. Savio's on the debate. I get Savio. I'll get Savio on the debate. Calm down, everyone. Savio and DK Giri. Savio and DK Giri tempers are running high tonight because the problem in our country is whenever the truth is spoken in a straight way, some people get very shaken. And I want to intervene here, viewers. I believe there's a conspiracy against our country. So does Savio. So do a lot of nationalists. I don't believe in brushing this under the carpet. I wish to tell you, viewers, these people also hate a nationalist media. Why? Because we did not let Shaheen Bagh be used to spread a Break India conspiracy. Had it not been for the role of the nationalist media, Shaheen Bagh would not have been exposed and there would have been direct violence as a result. It is because we fought the perpetrators of Shaheen Bagh that the matter got exposed and we became their public enemy number one, which we are proud of. The second reason they hate us is because we exposed another of their clown princes, Sarjeel Imam. And that's why people like Mehez get very upset, because Sarjeel Imam's video where he said, Assam or India kya alag alag ho jayega, tab hamari baat sunenge log. This video was put out by Republic, so these people hate us.
You have contacts in the government.
The third point is, again, she is exposing her ignorance. So let's go back to someone a little more informed, like DK Giri. She will repeat anything that Robert Vadra gives her. Anything. You Mehez will repeat anything. She believes that it is a crime that any Indian thought that her favorite country, Pakistan, will get bombed. She still hasn't got over the fact that we bombed her favorite country, Pakistan. I feel sorry for you, Mehez, but we did, remember, and we will bomb your favorite country again, right? And only people totally ignorant like you and your supreme leader, the Vadras, will think that any Indian targeting Pakistan is thinking of something wrong. I go to the more informed DK Giri right now. The third reason they don't like us, DK Giri, is because we did not keep quiet when sadhus were lynched in Palghar because it embarrassed them. The fourth reason they didn't like us is because we did not call the Delhi riots a pogrom. We said it was a riot. It was a conspiracy. We exposed Tahir Hussain. These are the reasons they don't like us. And these, DK, you need to understand, as does Savio already, that these are conspiracies against India. And that is why we are now launching a nationalist collective. Because I think, Savio, if we all come together, we can be a very powerful group, not for ourselves, but in the interests and service of our motherland. Savio, would you like to make your pitch here for why people should join the Nationalist Collective?
I agree on.
A non-political group, mind you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
See,
Viewers, a completely non-political group.
Good initiative.
The Nationalist Collective is very necessary, and this is not based on political lines.
How do you fix
people like DK Giri and myself love India.
Yeah.
DK Giri, you and I love India. Look at what is happening around.
Thank you.
There is a deliberate attempt to socio and economically damage India.
Yeah,
Can you not see it? Can you not see it, DK Giri? You and I are brothers.
Yeah,
you and I are brothers. You're my elder brother.
Yes, I know.
Can you see that? Can you see what's happening on the road? Have you ever seen something like that ever happen on Republic Day?
Yes.
This anarchy must stop.
Yes,
The
it
nationalists
never
in
happened.
India
Never happened in the
must
history
come
of India.
together
But
as one.
How do we
The
fix
nationalists must come
accountability?
together as
My
one
point is,
because there
who
are
is
foreign
responsible for
forces
this? How do we fix
wanting to
accountability, Savio?
destabilize India. DK
You know, it is a
Giri,
national
you are
shame.
my brother,
Appalling.
you are a fellow Indian. We must fight this. We must fight this as one, DK Giri. The aim is
How?
to destabilize
Tell me
India.
how.
We will.
Tell
The
me how.
aim is to
But
not
how do you
see
fix
India progress
responsibility?
economically.
That is my point.
You and I
Savio,
are the
tell
same.
me, why did
we
it
are
happen?
on the same
You know, our
side.
policemen running
We
for their
don't
Join the
care about
Nationalist
government.
Collective.
We care
Why
about
did
India. We care about India.
Yes, that is from tomorrow. That
We
is
care
from
about
tomorrow.
India, DK Giri,
But you know
not
what has happened
politics.
today? You know, somebody has to be accountable.
Not politics,
Someone has
DK
to be
Giri.
accountable. Who is that
That's what I'm
someone,
trying to make
Savio?
you understand.
Tell me.
The
It
attack
is a
is on
national
India.
shame today.
And well, we will have to.
We are speaking the same
Well, we will not. I will only say this, viewers, that with the birth of the Nationalist Collective, and the imminent launch of the Nationalist Collective, which will be a collective of right-thinking Indians, professionals, media, activists, everyone, we will not allow the riot agenda to happen in 2021.